You've been told that eating your vegetables is always good for you, but what if some of the vegetables you're eating, especially after 60, are doing more harm than good? What if a few of these so-called healthy foods are actually draining your testosterone, stiffening your blood vessels, and leaving you with less energy, drive, and performance? And what if just removing 3 common vegetables and replacing them with 3 others could quietly start to rebuild your blood flow and masculinity from the inside out? After 60, everything changes. Your body becomes more sensitive to hormonal shifts, blood flow slows, energy drops, and while age plays a role, what many men overlook is how food, especially vegetables, can influence testosterone and circulation. You've probably never been told that some vegetables contain plant chemicals that mimic estrogen, block nutrient absorption, or cause silent inflammation. On the flip side, a few powerful foods can awaken dormant systems and restore blood flow where it's needed most. But here's the catch. Most doctors don't talk about this. Most nutritionists don't even know. So let's pull back the curtain and start with the first vegetable you may want to think twice about. The 3 healthy vegetables that can hurt your male hormones. Number 1, soy-based vegetables, edamame, soy sprouts. These might look harmless, protein-rich, fiber-filled, and often praised as heart-healthy. But here's what most men don't realize. Soy contains phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic estrogen in your body. For younger men with balanced hormones, the effect may be negligible. But for men over 60, whose testosterone levels are already dropping, these compounds can quietly shift the balance even further, in the wrong direction. The result? Increased belly fat, lower libido, sluggish energy, and blood flow that's not what it used to be. You don't see it right away, but you start to feel off, and you can't quite explain why. 2. Nightshades, especially eggplant and bell peppers. These colourful vegetables may be pretty on the plate, but they carry a compound called solanine, which can promote inflammation in certain individuals. For aging men with already stressed cardiovascular systems, even low-grade inflammation can cause problems with circulation and joint health. But it doesn't stop there. Chronic inflammation can also trigger your body to produce more cortisol, the stress hormone. And here's the danger. Cortisol directly suppresses testosterone, so over time, eating the wrong vegetables can keep you in a hormonal stress loop without you even knowing it. And when your testosterone drops, so does your motivation, clarity, and drive, especially where you need it most. 3. Canned or overcooked spinach. Yes, spinach, but not the fresh kind. We're talking about canned spinach, or spinach that's been boiled or microwaved into mush. Why? Because overcooking destroys key nutrients like vitamin C and folate, and worse, it concentrates oxalates. Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds that can block zinc absorption, and zinc is one of the most critical minerals for testosterone production. Without zinc, your testes can't synthesize hormones efficiently, your prostate health suffers, and your immune system takes a hit. You may be eating spinach to stay strong, but you could be blocking the very nutrients you need for masculine energy. So what should you eat instead? Not all vegetables are created equal. Some restore what age takes away. Just as some vegetables can weaken your male edge, others can rebuild it from the ground up. These foods are nutrient-dense, circulation-friendly, and support hormonal balance at the root. Let's break down the top 3 vegetables that do exactly that and explain why they matter more than ever after 60. 3 vegetables that support blood flow and testosterone. That's number 1, cruciferous power. Broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts are a natural source of sulforaphane, a compound that supports liver detox, reduces inflammation, and, most importantly for you, helps metabolize excess estrogen. In men over 60, estrogen levels can creep up naturally as testosterone drops. But when estrogen builds unchecked, it leads to fat storage, mood swings, and lowered drive. Broccoli sprouts help break that cycle. By clearing out excess estrogen, they give testosterone room to rise. Even a few servings a week can make a noticeable difference. Lighter mind, better sleep, more confidence. And when testosterone rises, circulation improves too. Try 2. Beetroot, raw or roasted. You might know beets as a heart-healthy food, but their secret weapon is nitrates. These compounds convert into nitric oxide in your body, which helps blood vessels expand and allows more blood to reach your muscles, your brain, and your pelvic region. Beets are nature's performance enhancer. One study found that older men who consumed beet juice daily experienced better stamina, increased oxygen flow, and even improvements in erectile function without any medication. Add them to a salad, blend them into a smoothie, roast them with olive oil. Just don't ignore them, because where blood flows, energy grows. 3. Arugula, also known as rocket. This peppery green may look delicate, but it packs a powerful punch. Arugula is rich in chlorophyll, magnesium, and vitamin K, which all support cardiovascular health and blood pressure. But the real kicker, arugula is a natural aphrodisiac, used for centuries to boost male vitality. Its high nitrate content improves blood flow, while its bitter compounds stimulate the liver to detox old hormones and support testosterone balance. Plus, arugula is light on calories but rich in nutrients, making it perfect for men looking to reduce belly fat and regain their sharpness. It's not just salad, it's fuel for the life you still deserve to live. Change what you eat. Change how you feel. So here's the truth. What you eat either weakens or strengthens your masculine core, especially after 60. Some vegetables can slowly drain your energy, disrupt your hormones, and keep your blood flow sluggish without ever showing immediate symptoms. Others can bring you back to life quietly, naturally, powerfully. You don't need pills to fix what food can repair. Start by removing soy sprouts and processed soy nightshades like eggplant if they trigger inflammation, overcooked or canned spinach, and instead add in broccoli sprouts to rebalance hormones, beets to restore blood flow, arugula to energize your entire system. Let food become your medicine. Let every meal be a small act of reclaiming the man you still are. You may be over 60, but that doesn't mean you're fading. It means your body is asking for precision, not permission. Start today. Start with one plate and notice how your energy follows.